Hey everybody, this lesson we're going to learn how to work with the if function in Microsoft Excel. Okay, so we've got a list of Shakespeare's characters here, and what I want to do is write down if they're old or young, and we'll use 30 as the criteria. Over 30, old; less than 30, young. Before we do that, we need to make sure we are all aware of the different operators to tell Excel whether something is true or false. So we've got the greater than symbol, and we've got the greater than or equal to symbol, less than or equal to, and then not equal to. So let's do just a little warm up here, and we've got in cell A1 we've got 10, and cell B1 we've got 18. Let's take a look to see if one is larger than the other. So I'm going to go to C1 and type equals B1 greater than A1. And when I'm done, Excel is going to return whether it's true or false. Okay, so that, my friends, is the backbone of the logic functions. And basically, once you can tell Excel to check whether something is true or false, then we can return a condition afterwards based on the true or false. Okay, so let's take that and build it up into some characters here. So if I were to go to Hamlet, and Hamlet's 30 now, so if I type equals B2 greater than 30, then I'm going to get false, right? But let me come up here and modify that and squeeze an equal sign in front of it, and that says equals B2 greater than or equal to 30. So that becomes true. So it matters, context matters, right? And then once I get it, I can copy it down, and I see all that there. Okay, well, let me go ahead and extend it right now and then do the if function. So basically, when you're doing function, you can build it up and see if you can test it out first, then you can go into the if function. So simply I go up to formulas, look up in reference, and I'm so sorry, we go logic and click if. Okay, here we go, this is what we want. So I'm going to go ahead and just type that condition here, B2 greater than equal to 30. And if it's true, we'll type old, and if it's false, we'll type young. Awesome. All right. Now let me take it a step further here. I would suggest creating a table. If you create a table, then the function will just automatically update in the table. So to create a table, you click in one cell of it, go to Insert, click Table. This is our range. We're looking good. You can even name tables. The default here is Table 1. I can just call it People. And now check this out. If I were to go into the if function here, I'm just going to type it equals if. So my logical test is, and I clicked on B11 there, but it's putting in the age because that's just the structure of the table field header. You know, greater than equal to 30. That's our test. I'm going to type a comma. You see how what's happening here is it's on if true. So I'm going to need to put quote old, comma. Now if false, I'm on my third argument, and I'll do quote young. Okay, now I'm going to hit enter. And with the table, we get the entire rows get updated all the time, which is pretty neat. If I needed to get back into the function, I could go into, click on the cell, I'll see the function here, and I can just click FX and click FX right there, and that will bring it up in here if I need to see that here. So notice while I was in the dialog box, I will see opportunities of changing these here, as well as making any modifications of that. So if I wanted, for example, to have uppercase letters, old, and proper case Y, I can do that here and hit OK. See how it updated everything. Pretty neat there. So hey guys, thanks for watching this little quick tutorial on the if function. I hope that helps you out with your functions, and just here's the structure that you want to work with when working with these here.